The Tesla Pi phone, set to hit the market by late Q1 2025, promises to revolutionize the smartphone industry with its groundbreaking features that distinguish it from any device currently available. This innovative phone introduces three extraordinary advancements that are poised to set new standards in mobile technology. The Tesla Pi phone has been a topic of speculation and excitement among tech enthusiasts, with rumors suggesting it could revolutionize the smartphone market. If Tesla manages to integrate its expertise in AI, renewable energy, and satellite connectivity via Starlink, the Pi phone could indeed shake up the industry. First, the Pi phone eliminates the need for conventional charging methods, as it draws energy directly from light sources, thanks to its advanced solar energy technology. Whether indoors or outdoors, it effortlessly charges, making it the most energy-efficient device on the market. Second, the Pi phone offers unlimited internet access through its seamless connection to Elon Musk's Starlink satellite network. With Starlink's global coverage, users can stay connected anywhere on Earth without worrying about traditional internet plans or data limitations. Lastly, this futuristic phone is designed to provide communication across Earth, the Moon, and even Mars, making it an essential tool for space exploration and the next frontier in connectivity. Tesla's Pi phone is truly a step ahead, combining sustainability, boundless internet access, and interplanetary communication, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology. For those looking to become a millionaire, opportunities could arise if you're strategic about investing or leveraging this innovation. Here's how. 1. Invest in Tesla. If Tesla's phone is a game changer, it could lead to a surge in Tesla's stock price. Keep an eye on Tesla's developments and financial health. 2. Early access. If the Pi phone is released with exclusive features, like seamless Starlink connectivity or integration with Tesla vehicles, becoming an early adopter could help you find business opportunities. For example, offering specialized accessories or services. 3. Leverage Starlink. The Pi phone could potentially open doors for rural areas to access high-speed internet. Businesses catering to underserved markets could see massive growth. 4th, tech reselling or repairs. Become an early expert in the phone's technology to provide repair services or resale. 5. Content creation or influencing. Create content focusing on Tesla tech. A niche audience might translate into lucrative partnerships,